Yes, son. Are you okay? Okay ka na?
Man, this is not going to be easy.
I know. Pero anak, malalagpasan mo rin to.
Ang dami na nangyari sa ating dito. So many bad memories. Gusto ko nang kalimutan. And the only way to do that ay kung umalis tayo dito.
What do you mean?
We are going back to Italy.
Are you sure about this, anak? Kasi naalala mo, when we were going to Italy, hindi tayo tumuloy because of destiny. Baka maulit-ulit yun.
Hindi ako makalis noon kasi hindi ko maiwang ang masasayang memories with Destiny Rose. Pero this time is different, Mom. I want to forget Destiny Rose. Gusto kong magsimula ulit without her.
Gabriel, kung ano man ang desisyon mo, susuportahan kita. Aalis tayo papuntang Italy as soon as possible.
Thank you, Ma. Thanks for understanding.